Hey guys, today we're gonna work on the Silverado. We got the correct Eibach coil springs in for the correct spring rates. We got a 650 pound spring and we got a 600 pound spring and a 250 pound spring to go above that for a dual spring rate. So we're gonna go ahead and get them pulled off the truck, which we do already, and then we're gonna get the correct coil spring put on them and then throw them back on, and then we'll see what the truck sits at, and then from there we'll pull them back off and we're going to redesign those lower Cougar House Fab coilover mounts for a low profile set. So it'll lower the truck a little bit. So let's get started, guys. Alright guys, all buttoned up. We pulled the coil springs back off, but it lowered the truck about 2 inches like we wanted to, so we're going to take another 2 inches off the Cougar House Fab Super Duty coilover mounts that bolt on the Super Duty axle. We're going to make a low profile set for it, and we'll do that in the next episode here, and then we'll move on to building a set of lift blocks for it, and then we'll have the truck leveled, and we'll be able to strip everything off, and then Rick actually wants us to strip the leaf springs too. We're going to powder coat those as well, so that'll be pretty cool. That'll be the first set I've done of those, but it looks really good when you do it. So alright guys, the next episode here we'll move on to that, and then in the next video also we'll be working on the Lexus GX470 a little bit. So alright guys, thanks for watching today. Thank you guys for your constant support. As always, please drop a comment. Let us know what you think of the changes we made to the Silverado. And if you guys like Cougar House Garage, you like what we do, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook and Instagram as well, guys. Follow along there with all the crazy projects. We'll see you tomorrow.